Okay, great. Thank you. Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for all your past support. We're going to do a short video here, a quick update. This is like a double and triple dragons. Look at these guys flying around. This is the LAPD coming in over the Jetty Rocks. Same location, same format. Every once in a while, these dragons, they just go crazy and they just want to crisscross the skies. And I don't know, like they're 5-year-olds having fun. I guess they're having fun, but just look at the activity here, just crisscrossing, even coming at each other. Just how do you even interpret that? What's being communicated here? Just want to share that with you. It's open. Give me some feedback here. Tell me what you're thinking. Let's go to the next. Great. Just also, by the way, tomorrow, March 15, Wednesday, I'm going to be doing a live presentation at MUFON, Orange County, California, 7:30 to 10. You're welcome to attend or attend via Zoom. It's $10 for MUFON members and $15 for non-members. If you're in the area, come check it out. I think you'll really have a great time, a great 2.5 hours. Great, thank you. And by the way, here's some info. I'll leave the links below. Hopefully you can get a ticket and I'll see you there. Thank you. Let's go to the next. Okay, great. Thank you. This will be the last video here from 2021. Look at this. Look at these dragons. These dragons are all over this osprey. There's the interpolation. What can I tell you? They still bring in the ospreys, but not as much as they did in 19, 20, 21. They were all over the sky then, and I do have those videos. I will be posting them, but I just wanted to just do a quick post here, give you an update on the MUFON and what's going on. Until the next video, stay safe, and I hope to see you tomorrow at MUFON. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.